My dear friends, we have a beautiful young gentleman, Mr. Islam from Bangladesh. Look at the picture. And now we are going to ask him, what is your message to life, Mr. Islam?
I'm always to saying to people always smile because when you be smiling your life is like beautification. So I said in Bangla যদি তুমি হাসতে শেখো এবং তুমি যদি হাসতে জানো তাহলে পৃথিবী তোমার জন্য অনেক সহজ. So I wish everyone always smiling every situation. That is my message from everyone. Please.
Very nice. You have a smiling. You look like a maybe musician with this dress. I'm so happy to meet you. Really, you have a beautiful smiling face. You have a lot of learning. Yeah, people always have.
If you are smiling, so all the things are very easy. I think that is the way to.
You will come up in life, beautiful man and smiling. And maybe with smile, a lot of girlfriends you'll have.
You are like doctor. You are chilling guy. Thank you
Okay.
for your
Bye,
making
bye.
the videos.
Bye, bye. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.